How to fix server connection error while joining Red Dead Online. Here are some tips that would help fix server connection error while joining Red Dead Online. 1. Restart your Red Dead Online game. Back up your router settings. Then reset it. 2. For router-based players, try enabling QoS and changing NAT type in your router admin page. 3. For PS5/PS4 players, rebuild your game database. 4. For Windows players, update your device drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.